smell fresh blood. It's been ages since the flesh and bones of a mortal soul roamed these halls. Listen closely and heed my warnings, lest you fall victim to the evil spirits that inhabit this place. Break the rules that follow, and you'll be deathly sorry. No smoking or open flames allowed.